Portable camping stoves are indispensable for outdoor cooking, offering convenience and efficiency in the wilderness. Designed for easy transport and setup, these stoves provide reliable heat for preparing meals. With features like adjustable burners and compact designs, they accommodate a range of cooking needs. Ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency situations, portable camping stoves ensure you can cook comfortably anywhere. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Camping Cooking System is a versatile and efficient solution for outdoor culinary needs, designed to elevate the camping experience with its compact, all-in-one design. This innovative cooking system features a dual burner setup, allowing simultaneous cooking of multiple dishes, which is perfect for group camping trips. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, fitting neatly into a compact carrying case that also accommodates the included 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch ceramic-coated nonstick fry pan, ensuring all your cooking essentials are conveniently packed together. The burners are equipped with Jetboil's patented simmer control, providing precise heat adjustment for everything from boiling water rapidly to gently simmering sauces. The Genesis Basecamp system operates efficiently on propane, ensuring a reliable and consistent fuel source, and features a quick connect valve for easy setup and breakdown. The robust build and quality materials ensure durability, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use. The system's windscreen offers protection against the elements, ensuring steady performance in varying weather conditions. With its high-output burners, the Genesis Basecamp can quickly bring water to a boil, saving time and fuel. Additionally, the thoughtful design includes integrated strainer lids and pour spouts on the pot, enhancing functionality and ease of use. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Camping Cooking System is an essential piece of gear for any serious camper, combining portability, efficiency, and versatility to make outdoor cooking as convenient and enjoyable as cooking at home. Number 4. Eureka Ignite Portable 2-Burner Camping Stove is a high-performance, user-friendly cooking solution designed to enhance outdoor culinary adventures. This compact stove features 2 powerful burners, each delivering 10,000 BTUs, providing ample heat for cooking a variety of meals simultaneously, whether you're boiling water, frying, or simmering. The stove's sleek design includes a stainless steel drip tray for easy cleaning and a durable construction that withstands the rigors of outdoor use. It is equipped with precise simmer control, allowing for fine-tuned flame adjustments to achieve perfect cooking temperatures. The push-button ignition system ensures quick and hassle-free lighting, eliminating the need for matches. Each burner is independently controlled, offering flexibility in meal preparation. The Ignite's sturdy, non-slick rubber feet provide stability on uneven surfaces, ensuring safe and reliable cooking. Additionally, the stove features a windscreen that shields the flames from gusts, maintaining consistent performance in windy conditions. Its compact size and lightweight design make it highly portable, fitting easily into car trunks or camping gear bags. The stove operates on propane, with a regulator included for easy attachment to fuel canisters. Designed for convenience and efficiency, the Eureka Ignite Portable 2-Burner Camping Stove makes outdoor cooking a breeze, providing the reliability and performance needed to prepare delicious meals in the great outdoors. Ideal for car camping, tailgating, and picnics, this stove combines durability, functionality, and ease of use, ensuring that your outdoor cooking experience is as enjoyable and efficient as cooking at home. Number 3. Primus Kinjia 2-Burner Gas Stove for Advanced Campsite Cooking is an advanced and versatile cooking solution designed for campers who seek gourmet cooking capabilities in the great outdoors. This premium stove features 2 high-output burners, each providing 7,000 BTUs, enabling you to prepare complex meals simultaneously with ease and efficiency. The stove's sleek, minimalist design is crafted from robust materials, ensuring durability and longevity in various outdoor conditions. Its compact and lightweight form factor makes it highly portable, perfect for camping trips, tailgating, and outdoor gatherings. The Kinjia stove offers precise flame control, allowing for delicate simmering or rapid boiling, catering to a wide range of culinary techniques. The integrated piezo ignition system ensures reliable and match-free lighting every time. Additionally, the stove includes removable grates and a drip tray, making it easy to clean after use. The solid construction features sturdy, foldable legs that provide stability on uneven surfaces, ensuring safe cooking. The stove operates on standard propane canisters, with an efficient fuel consumption rate that maximizes usage time. The Kinjia's wind-resistant design maintains consistent performance even in breezy conditions, allowing you to cook without interruptions. Its stylish appearance is complemented by functional details, such as an ergonomic handle for easy transport and storage. The Primus Kinjia 2-burner gas stove combines sophisticated design, exceptional performance, and user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for advanced campsite cooking. Whether you are a seasoned camper or a culinary enthusiast, this stove provides the flexibility and reliability needed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Number 2. Stansport Outfitter Series 2-burner propane stove is a robust and reliable cooking companion for outdoor enthusiasts who demand high performance and durability. Featuring two powerful 25,000 BTU burners, this stove delivers exceptional heat output, allowing for rapid boiling, thorough frying, and precise simmering, accommodating a variety of cooking needs in the wilderness. Its heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel drip tray are designed for longevity and easy cleaning, making it a dependable choice for extended camping trips and rugged environments. The stove includes an individual control knob for each burner, enabling precise heat regulation and versatile cooking. The piezo ignition system ensures easy, match-free lighting, adding convenience to your outdoor culinary endeavors. Sturdy windscreens on 3 sides protect the burners from gusts, maintaining consistent performance in challenging weather conditions. Its compact, foldable design, along with a built-in carry handle, makes the stove highly portable and easy to transport, fitting seamlessly into your camping gear. The stove operates on readily available propane cylinders, providing a stable and efficient fuel source for prolonged use. Safety features include a pressure regulator, ensuring steady gas flow and safe operation. The Stansport Outfitter Series 2-burner propane stove is ideal for car camping, tailgating, and outdoor cooking, combining heavy-duty construction with practical features to meet the needs of serious campers and outdoor chefs. Number 1. Ensauer WindBurner stove systems are engineered to provide exceptional performance and reliability in challenging outdoor conditions, making them a top choice for serious adventurers. This advanced stove system features a unique radiant burner and a heat exchanger that delivers superior fuel efficiency and rapid boiling, even in windy and cold environments. The integrated design includes a compact, self-contained system that combines the burner, pot, and lid into a single unit, which simplifies setup and minimizes packing space. The stove's windproof design ensures consistent performance by shielding the flame from gusts, while the integrated heat exchanger optimizes heat transfer, reducing fuel consumption and cooking time. The system also includes a built-in pressure regulator, which maintains stable performance at high altitudes and in fluctuating temperatures. The WindBurner stove systems are compatible with MSR's custom cookware, which features a built-in heat exchanger for efficient cooking and an insulated mug or pot that keeps your food or beverages hot longer. The stove's lightweight and compact design make it highly portable, ideal for backpacking and alpine expeditions where every ounce counts. The system's thoughtful construction also incorporates an easy-to-use push-button igniter for reliable lighting without the need for matches.